Where was the United Nations COP30 summit held in November 2025? Correct answer is option C, Belém, Brazil. Who won the FIDE World Cup 2025, held in Goa? Correct answer is option C, Javokhir Sindarov. Narendra Modi was honored with the highest honor, Grand Cross of Makarios III, of which country? Right answer is option D, Cyprus. Who won the 74th edition of Miss Universe title 2025? Correct answer is option A, Fatima Bosch, of Mexico. Who has become the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, Justice Surya Kant. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado, of Venezuela. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Correct answer option A, Aralam Wildlife Sanctuary, Kerala. Who has become the 11th member of ASEAN in October 2025? Correct answer is option C, Timor-Leste. Who authored the book Why the Constitution Matters? Correct answer is option B, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Who was honored Ethiopia's highest civilian honor, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia? Correct answer is option C, Narendra Modi. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 23rd rank. Which PSU has been granted Navratna status by the Government of India in December 2025? Correct answer is option D, Numaligarh Refinery Limited, Assam. India's first Semiconductor Innovation Museum has been opened in which city? Correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. Which city has recently been nominated by the Government of India as UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? Correct answer is option A, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed as Punjab National Bank's first ever female brand ambassador? Correct answer is option C, Harmanpreet Kaur. India defeated which country to win the first ever Women's T20 Blind World Cup 2025, held in Colombo? Correct answer is option C, Nepal. Which country has officially become the 107th member of the International Solar Alliance in August 2025? Correct answer is option C, Moldova. Who won the Best FIFA Men's Player of the Year award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Ousmane Dembele, of France. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Narendra Modi. Which country topped the medal tally at the 2025 ISSF Junior World Cup? Right answer is option C, India. Which country has joined the International Big Cat Alliance as its 19th member in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Russia. Which country recently won the Davis Cup title 2025? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Where was the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Who has been recently awarded the Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Leila Abulela. Who has been honored with the United Nations Mandela Award 2025? Right answer is option D, both B and C, Brenda Reynolds and Kennedy Odate. Which operation is launched by India after a powerful earthquake struck the neighboring country? Correct answer is option C, Operation Brahma. Which has become the first South Asian country to join the UN Water Convention? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Gogabeel Lake, which was recently designated as the 94th Ramsar site of India, is located in which state? Correct answer is option A, Bihar. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2025 released by UNDP? Correct answer is option C, 130th. Who has been elected as the president of the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Correct answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock. Jose Antonio Cast has been elected as new president of which country in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Chile. Which country has been re-elected to UNESCO Executive Board for the term 2025 to 2029? Correct answer is option C, India. How many medals did India win at the Asian Youth Games 2025 held in Bahrain? Correct answer is option D, 48 medals. Who won the Men's Fight World Rapid Championship 2025 title? Correct answer is option A, Magnus Carlsen. Which country honored PM Narendra Modi with the Grand Collar of the National Order of the Southern Cross? Correct answer is option D, Brazil. Where was the COP15 conference of the Ramsar Convention held? Correct answer is option B, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe. Which state has been declared as the ginger capital of India by Niti Aayog? Correct answer is option A, Mizoram. Who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development for 2024? Correct answer is option B, Michelle Bachelet. Who has won the Pro Kabaddi League 2025 title? Correct answer is option B, Dabang Delhi Kabaddi Club. Which film has won the prestigious Golden Peacock Award for Best Film at the 56th International Film Festival of India? Correct answer option B, the Vietnamese film Skin of Youth. Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025 for Mathematics? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Which Indian received the 2025 Champions of the Earth Award, the UNEP's highest environmental honor? Correct answer is option D, Supriya Sahu. Who has won both the men's and women's titles in Kabaddi at the Asian Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, India. Rodrigo Paz has been appointed as the president of which country? Correct answer is option D, Bolivia. Where was the 9th edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. Which country has officially become the world's first cashless country? Correct answer is option B, Sweden. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of CISF in September 2025? Correct answer is option B, Praveer Ranjan. In which state will India's first white tiger breeding center been established? Correct answer is option A, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Who has recently become the chairman of the 23rd Law Commission? Right answer is option D, Dinesh Maheshwari. The Nisar Earth Observation Satellite was launched from which rocket? Correct answer is option A, GSLV F-16. Exercise Tiger Triumph is a bilateral military exercise conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, United States. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the 4th largest economy in the world? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank? Right answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff. Which country topped the 2025 Asian Archery Championship? Correct answer is option C, India. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. Which country was formally accepted as the 10th member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Correct answer is option C, Belarus. Asia's vertical lift bridge Pamban Bridge has been inaugurated in which state? Correct answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025 in Hindi category? Correct answer, option D, Mridulika Jha. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Gunri Inland Mangroves. Which team won the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 in both men's and women's category by defeating Nepal? Correct answer is option A, India. Who was appointed as the new CEO of the International Cricket Council in July 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sanjog Gupta. India has won ICC Champions Trophy 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option C, New Zealand. Which national park has recorded the highest population of Nilgiri tahr in the April 2025 census? Correct answer is option B, Iravikulam National Park, Kerala. Who won the men's singles title in Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Which country has officially joined the International Big Cat Alliance in August 2025? Correct answer is option D, Nepal. How many individuals were honored with the Padma Awards in 2025? Right answer is option D, 139. The FDI limit in the insurance sector has been raised to what percent from 74% in budget 2025? Correct answer is option D, 100%. Which of the following won the Best Film Award at the 78th British Academy Film Awards in 2025? Right answer is option C, Conclave. Mark Carney has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Canada. Who won the Best Director Award for his film Anora at the 2025 Academy Awards? Correct answer is option B, Sean Baker. Which has become the first European country to withdraw from the International Criminal Court? Correct answer is option C, Hungary. Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court? Correct answer is option B, Arun Palli. Who has become the first Indian to win the title of Mrs. Globe International 2025? Correct answer is option A, Anuradha Garg. Which country honored PM Modi with the Order of the Most Ancient Welwitschia Mirabilis in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Namibia. The NATO Summit 2025 was held in which country? Right answer is option B, The Hague, Netherlands. Kopra Jalasai, which was recently designated as India's 95th Ramsar site, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Which state capital was connected to the National Railway network through the Barabie-Sairang rail line for the first time? Correct answer is option A, Aizawl, Mizoram. In which state has the Gaja Mitra initiative been launched to tackle human-elephant conflicts? Correct answer is option B, Assam. India's first organic fisheries cluster was launched in which state? Correct answer is option A, Sikkim. What is the rank of India in Women, Peace and Security Index 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, 131st rank. Who won the WTA Player of the Year award for 2025? Correct answer is option C, Aryana Sabalenka. Which country hosted the 51st G7 summit in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Canada. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal, SSB? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Which city was declared as India's cleanest city for the 8th time in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Indore. Who won the prestigious 2025 Food Planet Prize for its innovative green fertilizer technology? Correct answer is option A, Nitro Kept of Sweden. Kamla Prashad Bisesa has been recently appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Trinidad and Tobago. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Correct answer is option B, Indian Army. The Khichon and Meenar wetlands are located in which state that has been recently included in the Ramsar site? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Which country will host the BRICS Summit 2026? Correct answer is option C, India. Which university tops the medal tally in Khelo India University Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Chandigarh University. Who has been appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajkumar Goyal. Which country awarded its highest national honor, Grand Order of Mugundhwa, to the US President Donald Trump? Correct answer is option A, South Korea. Which institution proposed the development of the world's smallest semiconductor chip in 2025? Correct answer is option B, IISc, Bangalore. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Banu Mushtaq. Where was India's first ever high-altitude climate research station inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Who won the World Food Prize 2025 for her pioneering work in biological nitrogen fixation and sustainable agriculture? Correct answer is option C, Mariangela Hengria. Who was awarded Laureus World Sportswoman of the Year Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Simone Biles. Who has won the first Chess Esports World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. Who won the men's singles title in Wimbledon Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Jannik Sinner. Gyanesh Kumar has been elected as the president of which international organization? Correct answer is option C, IDEA, International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance. Who won the Norway Chess Tournament title in 2025? Right answer is option C, Magnus Carlsen. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which city is ranked India's dirtiest in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2025 report? Correct answer is option C, Madurai. Which has become the first city to implement a QR-based digital house address system? Correct answer is option C, Indore. How many districts will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana in 2025-26? Correct answer is option A, 100 districts. Sparsh, System for Pension Administration Raksha, is an initiative of which ministry? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Defense. India's first overpass wildlife corridor has been built on which expressway? Correct answer is option C, Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025 released by the World Economic Forum? Correct answer is option B, 71. India's first gallium nitride based semiconductor fabrication plant will be set up in which state? Correct answer is option A, Chhattisgarh. What is India's first manned submersible launched by 2026 under the Deep Ocean Mission? Correct answer is option B, Matsya 6000. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option D, MS Dhoni. The United Nations declared the year 2026 as the International Year of. Correct answer is option C, Woman Farmer. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Correct answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. In which state was India's first underwater museum and artificial coral reef launched in June 2025? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Which company has surpassed Microsoft to become the world's most valuable company? Correct answer, option C, Nvidia. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Right answer is option B, Khunyeng Patama. Which has become India's first legislative assembly to run fully on solar power? Correct answer is option C, Delhi Assembly. The RBI has recently granted NBFC license to which e-commerce company? Correct answer is option A, Flipkart. Which day has been officially designated as Ayurveda Day by the Indian government? Correct answer is option C, 23rd September. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option C, Opal Suchata Changsri of Thailand. Who has been recently elected as the first woman Secretary General of United Nations World Tourism Organization? Correct answer is option B, Sheikha Al Nowais. Which team won the ICC World Test Championship in 2025? Right answer is option B, South Africa. Who has been appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in October 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shirish Chandra Murmu. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. Who is the author of the book Ramanujan, A Journey of a Great Mathematician? Correct answer is option C, both A and B, Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma. Jennifer Geerling Simons has been appointed as the first woman president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Suriname. Where was India's largest lithium-ion battery manufacturing plant launched? Right answer is option D, Haryana. Which country will become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 1, 2026? Right answer is option C, Bulgaria. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Estimates Committee? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Jaiswal. Who has recently won the title of Miss Universe India 2025? Correct answer is option B, Manika Vishwakarma. Who has been awarded the National Kishore Kumar Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Who has become the first ever woman union law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Which state has the highest number of solar power installations under PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Where was the World Tea Conference 2025 organized for the first time in India? Correct answer is option B, Kochi, Kerala. Which district has become India's first fully solar-powered district in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Diu. Who has received the Best Feature Film Award at the 71st National Film Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, 12th Fail. Which state has won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which state will establish India's first artificial intelligence university? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who won the Sastra Ramanujan Prize in 2025? Right answer is option B, Alexander Smith. Who has been posthumously honored with the P.V. Narasimha Rao Award for Economics? Correct answer is option B, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Which country has launched the world's first thorium molten salt nuclear reactor in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Which country has won the UEFA Nations League title in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Portugal. Which city has been officially declared as the leopard capital recently? Correct answer is option D, Bengaluru. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Audi India? Correct answer option C, Neeraj Chopra. Who has been elected as the president of the International Big Cat Alliance? Correct answer is option D, Bhupendra Yadav. Where will India's first forest university be established? Correct answer is option D, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which countries were elected as non-permanent members of the United Nations Security Council in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bahrain, Colombia, the Democratic Republic of the Congo, Latvia, and Liberia. Scientists have recently discovered 128 new moons, increasing the total number of moons on this planet to 274. Which planet is this? Correct answer is option C, Saturn. Which team won the 2025 Women's Premier League? Correct answer is option C, Mumbai Indians. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of the Railway Board? Right answer is option C, Satish Kumar. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Kannadipaya, a traditional tribal handicraft, from which Indian state was recently awarded the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. In April 2025, which country has announced to adopt green cryptocurrency to boost the economy? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Which has become the 123rd country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Angola. Who became the first Indian to receive the prestigious Ramsar Award for wetland-wise use? Correct answer is option C, Jayashree Venkatesan. What is India's rank in the World Happiness Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 118. ISRO has inaugurated Sri S. Ramakrishnan Center of Excellence in Fluid and Thermal Science Research at. Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 131st rank. Which state government has launched India's first Vistadome jungle safari train? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Banks Association for the next fiscal year? Right answer is option B, Chala Srinivasulu Setty. Who has become the first black woman to win the title of Mrs. World 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shego Gelai. Which team has won the 18th edition of the Indian Premier League? Correct answer is option D, Royal Challengers Bengaluru. The Apna Ghar initiative was recently launched by which ministry? Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Which country was the host of World Humanoid Robot Games 2025? Correct answer is option D, China. Inga Ruzhanin has been appointed as Prime Minister of which country in August 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lithuania. Which state government has established the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tamil Nadu. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Food Safety and Standards Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Rajat Punhani. Who has become the youngest Indian to climb the highest peaks of all 7 continents? Correct answer is option C, Vishwanath Karthike. Which 2 languages have been recognized as the official language of Ladakh for the first time? Correct answer is option C, Bhoti and Purgi. Which state government has launched the Thaliki Vandanam scheme 2025 to support education for underprivileged students? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. The Government of India has recently approved to conduct the census along with caste census in which upcoming year? Correct answer is option B, 2027. Who has been awarded with the Princess of Asturias Sports Award? Correct answer is option D, Serena Williams. India has been elected to the United Nations Economic and Social Council for how many years? Correct answer option B, 2 years. Who has recently received the most influential environmentalist award? Correct answer is option B, Acharya Prashant. The Khan Quest 2025 multinational military exercise was recently held in which country? Correct answer is option C, Mongolia. Which countries will jointly host the FIFA World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option A, Canada, Mexico and USA. Where was the United Nations Ocean Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option C, France. Which Indian group won the Equator Initiative Award 2025 by UNDP? Correct answer is option A, Bibi Fatima Self-Help Group. What is Sudarshan Chakra mission, which was announced by PM Modi on Independence Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, it's an indigenous multi-layered defense system. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Correct answer is option A, C.P. Radhakrishnan. Which state government has launched India's first drone-based artificial rain trial? Correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Which state government has introduced the Deen Dayal Lado Lakshmi scheme? Correct answer is option C, Haryana. Who won the 2025 UN Population Award for her efforts to stop sex-selective abortion and promote gender equality? Correct answer is option A, Varsha Deshpande. Who has been named as the only Indian woman in Time magazine's Women of the Year 2025 list? Correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Barman. Who won the only gold medal for India in the Senior Asian Wrestling Championship 2025? Right answer is option B, Manisha Bhanwala. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force, CRPF? Correct answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Which state topped the medal tally at the 78th Senior National Aquatic Championships, held in Bhubaneswar? Correct answer is option C, Karnataka. Lee Jae-myung has been appointed as the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, South Korea. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister? Correct answer is option C. S. Mahendra Dev. Anthony Albanese has been re-elected as Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A. Australia. Who won India's first ever Mrs. Universe title in 2025? Right answer is option B. Sherry Singh. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Correct answer is option C. 115th. Which state organized the world's largest open-air theatre, Dhanu Yatra? Correct answer is option B. Orissa. Yaktan village of which state was announced as India's first digital nomad village? Correct answer is option D. Sikkim. Who was named the World Athlete of the Year, Men in 2025? Correct answer is option A. Armand Duplantis. Who was honored with the Pauli Umrigar at the BCCI Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C. Jasprit Bumrah. Who has won the Allan Border Medal 2025 at Australian Cricket Awards? Correct answer is option B. Travis Head. Javelin thrower, Neeraj Chopra won silver at the 2025 Doha Diamond League by throwing how much distance? Correct answer is option D. 90.23 meters. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO? Right answer is option D. Samir V. Kamath. Which country has launched the CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Right answer is option B. China. Which state has become the second state after Mizoram to attain full functional literacy status? Right answer is option C. Goa. Where was the 19th edition of the India-Nepal Joint Military Exercise, Surya Kiran 19, 2025 held? Correct answer is option A. Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand. Which two classical Indian texts were recently inscribed in UNESCO's Memory of the World Register? Correct answer is option D. Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Natyashastra. The Kumbakonam beetle leaf and Thovalai flower garland from which state recently received a GI tag? Correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. Who has been elected as the president of the Athletics Federation of India? Correct answer is option C. Bahadur Singh Sagu. L. Subramaniam was honored with the Padma Vibhushan 2025 for his contribution in which field? Right answer is option B. Art. Kanga Ghati National Park of which Indian state has been included in the UNESCO's tentative heritage list? Right answer is option A. Chhattisgarh. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of ASSOCHAM in 2025? Correct answer is option C. Manish Sindhal. Where is the World Summit on Disaster Management 2025 held? Right answer is option C. Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Which Indian organization has been named among the world's top 100 corporate startup stars by ICC and Mind the Bridge? Correct answer is option C. BPCL. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? Right answer is option B. Madhya Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Correct answer is option A. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Which Indian actress received the Golden Globes Horizon Award at the Red Sea International Film Festival 2025? Correct answer is option A. Alia Bhatt. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Bharati Airtel? Correct answer is option B. Shashwat Sharma. Which state government launched the Mahadeva Football Initiative, Project Mahadeva? Correct answer is option D. Maharashtra. Where was the Tista Prahar military exercise conducted by the Indian Army? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. Which has become the first Indian state to implement classification of reservation within scheduled castes? Correct answer is option B, Telangana. Who won gold medal in the women's 75 kilograms boxing event at the National Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Lovlina Borgohain. Which railway station received the National Energy Conservation Award 2025 as Best Performing Unit Transport category? Correct answer is option B, Miana Railway Station, Madhya Pradesh. Who among the following has been awarded the Grammy Award for Song of the Year? Correct answer is option B, Kendrick Lamar. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Meghalaya. India's first cheetah safari has been launched in which national park? Correct answer is option A, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh. In 2025, which of the following countries were officially declared malaria-free by the World Health Organization? Correct answer is option B, Georgia, Suriname and Timor-Leste. President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded City Key of Honor in which European city? Correct answer is option A, Lisbon. Which of the following states has declared Ratha Saptami as its state festival? Right answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which has become the first state to link forest ecosystem with green GDP? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Which country has become the world's third largest biofuel producer? Correct answer is option B, India. Who has been appointed as the director of FBI? Correct answer is option C, Kash Patel. Who is the author of the book titled Why Bharat Matters? Correct answer is option B, S. Jaishankar. Which ISRO chief has been honored with G.P. Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, V. Narayanan. Where was the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 being held? Right answer is option B, New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the President of the Fertilizer Association of India in June 2025? Correct answer is option A, Shailesh C. Mehta. India's first interstate cheetah conservation corridor is being established between which two states? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Who has become the youngest and the first Asian to receive the Global Humanitarian Award? Correct answer is option B, Anant Ambani. What is the rank of India in Global Investment Risk and Resilience Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 104th rank. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Jharkhand State Tourism? Correct answer is option D, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Jennifer Geerling Simons has been appointed as the first woman president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Suriname. Who is the author of the book The New Icon, Savarkar and the Facts? Correct answer is option A, Arun Shourie. The Rajasthan government renamed the 132-year-old Foysagar Lake as Varun Sagar Lake. Where is it located? Correct answer is option C, Ajmer. Which has become the first state in India to implement the translation system in the Legislative Assembly? Correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh Assembly. Who has won the title of football tournament, La Liga 2024-25? Right answer is option B, FC Barcelona. Which country will host the inaugural Commonwealth Kho-Kho Championship 2026? Correct answer, option A, India. The joint military exercise Ekuvaran is held between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, Maldives. Which space organization will launch Lexi mission to study Earth's magnetic cover from the moon? Correct answer is option B, NASA. Who has won the men's championship in the first Hockey India Masters Cup 2025? Correct answer is option D, Hockey Tamil Nadu. Which Indian state has the highest GDP collection in 2025? Correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Who has been appointed as the new president of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Barham Saleh. Who has been awarded the first ever FIFA Peace Prize? Correct answer is option C, Donald Trump. Who has been awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature 2025? Correct answer is option C, Laszlo Krasznahorkai of Hungary. Who has been appointed as the executive chairman of NALSA? Correct answer is option C, Justice Vikram Nath. Who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Food Corporation of India? Correct answer is option B, Rabindra Kumar Agrawal. Who won the 13th edition of the ICC Women's World Cup 2025 by defeating South Africa in the finals? Correct answer is option B, India. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Suchata Changsri of Thailand. What is India's rank in the Henley Passport Index released in January 2026? Correct answer is option B, 80th rank. Who has been appointed as the next Director General of UNESCO? Correct answer is option A, Khaled El Anani. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) till June 2026? Correct answer is option A, Ravi Agarwal. Who won the 2025 Booker Prize for his novel Flesh? Correct answer is option B, David Shale. Who was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? Correct answer option D, Mohanlal. Which state government has launched CM Flight to boost overseas employment? Right answer is option A, Assam. Madhav National Park, the 58th Tiger Reserve of India, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who was recently appointed as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option A, Bhuvanesh Kumar. Which astrophysicist was posthumously selected for the Vigyan Ratna Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Professor Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Sane Takaichi has been appointed as the first female Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Correct answer is option C, TCA Kalyani. Who became the first African woman to serve as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth? Right answer option C, Shirley Botchway. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Correct answer is option B, Educate Girls. Kopra Jalasai, which was recently designated as India's 95th Ramsar site, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Chhattisgarh. Which country has won the BWF Sudirman Cup 2025 for the fourth consecutive term? Correct answer is option B, China. Who won the women's singles title of French Open 2025? Right answer is option D, Coco Gauff. Which country won the Squash World Cup 2025 title for the first time by defeating Hong Kong? Correct answer is option B, India. Which team has won the Irani Cup 2025-26? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. Which medal India won at the Sultan of Johor Cup 2025, held in Malaysia? Right answer is option B, silver medal. Which country will host the Global Big Cat Summit 2026? Correct answer is option A, India. Which city will host 2030 Commonwealth Games? Correct answer is option C, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing, RAW? Correct answer is option A, Parag Jain. What is India's rank in the 2025 Sustainable Development Goals Index? Correct answer is option C, 99th rank. Who became the youngest batsman to score a century in the Syed Mushtaq Ali tournament? Correct answer is option C, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Sili Syed Lake, which has been recently declared as a Ramsar site, is located in which state? Correct answer is option B, Rajasthan. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Who has been awarded the Ballon d'Or Award 2025 in the men's category? Correct answer is option C, Ousmane Dembele. Where has ISRO launched the Hope mission for Gaganyaan? Correct answer is option D, Ladakh. Who has been appointed as the Chief Information Commissioner of India in December 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajkumar Goyal. Who has been awarded the Pritzker Architecture Prize 2025? Correct answer option C, Liu Jiakun, of China. Who received the Dayton Peace Prize Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option A, Salman Rushdie. India is set to launch the world's most powerful hydrogen-powered train on which route? Correct answer option B, Jind to Sonipat. Who topped the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. The Indian Olympic Committee has included which sport in the 2028 Olympic Games? Correct answer is option C, cricket. Who has been awarded the Sangeet Kalanidhi Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, R.K. Sriram Kumar. Who has been appointed as the 26th Chief Election Commissioner in February 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gyanesh Kumar. Who won the Sastra Ramanujan Prize in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Smith. What is the name of the world's first digital tribal university launched in New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, Adi Sanskriti. Who has been appointed as the first Deputy Managing Director of IMF? Correct answer is option C, Dan Katz. Recently, Indian Railways successfully conducted trial run of Asia's longest freight train Rudraashtra. What is its total length? Correct answer is option C, 4.5 kilometers. Who has been named CEO of the Year 2025 by Times Magazine? Correct answer is option D, Neil Mohan. What is the name of India's third indigenously built nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine? Correct answer is option C, INS Aridhaman. The Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, which has been included in the UNESCO's World Network of Biosphere Reserves, is located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Which city hosted the 11th India International Science Festival in December 2025? Correct answer is option C, Panchkula, Haryana. How many people were awarded the Goldman Environment Prize for 2025? Correct answer is option C, 7. Who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Correct answer is option C, Sudarshan Patnaik. Who was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Correct answer is option C, La Prensa, the Nicaraguan newspaper. Which Indian badminton players has been awarded the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award 2023 in May 2025? Correct answer is option A, Chirag Shetty and Sattviksiraj Rankireddy. In May 2025, India has overtaken which country to become the fourth largest economy in the world? Correct answer is option C, Japan. India and which country will jointly celebrate the year 2026 as the year of culture, tourism and artificial intelligence? Correct answer is option C, Spain. Which team won the 31st Sultan Aslan Shah Cup title by defeating India in the final? Correct answer is option A, Belgium. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Czech Republic in December 2025? Correct answer is option A, Andrej Babis. According to the report released by SIPRI, what is India's rank in terms of highest military expenditure? Right answer is option C, 5th rank. Who has been awarded the Officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana, the highest civilian honor of Ghana? Right answer, option D, Narendra Modi. Sebastian Lecornu has been appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, France. UPEX mission, also known as Chandrayaan-5 mission, will be launched with the cooperation of which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of the Railway Board? Correct answer is option C, Satish Kumar. The first ever joint military exercise, Tiger Claw, was recently conducted between India and which country's Air Force? Correct answer is option C, United States. The joint military exercise Mitra Shakti 2025 was held between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Sri Lanka. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Correct answer is option C, Sonali Mishra. Which state has been officially declared as the country's first fully literate state? Correct answer is option C, Mizoram. Who has been selected as the torchbearer of the 2026 Winter Olympics? Correct answer is option C, Abhinav Bindra. Who has won the Kalinga Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Goa FC. Which country will host the next Olympics in 2028? Correct answer is option C, Los Angeles, USA. Which country topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of NCC, National Cadet Corps? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. Who won both the men's and women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 title by defeating England in the finals? Correct answer is option C, India. Who has been elected as the President of the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? Correct answer is option A, Zhou Ziyai. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. Where was the 17th BRICS Summit 2025 held? Correct answer option B, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. In which state is India's first AI-based data center park set to be established? Correct answer is option A, Nawa Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Which team won the 17th edition of the Men's Asia Cricket Cup in 2025? Right answer is option A, India. Who has been appointed the new chairman of the Inland Waterways Authority of India? Correct answer is option C, Sunil Paliwal. Where will the Indo-French Joint Military Exercise, Shakti 2025, be held? Correct answer is option C, Le Cavalier, France. How many gold medals India won at the World Boxing Cup Finals 2025? Correct answer is option B, 9 goals. Who has been recently appointed as the head of the Controller General of Defense Accounts? Correct answer is option C, Vishwajit Sahai. Which ports have been recognized as green hydrogen hubs under the National Green Hydrogen Mission in October 2025? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Where is India's largest green ammonia project being established? Correct answer is option C, Gopalpur, Orissa. Which state ranked first in the 2025 state-wise ranking for forests, biodiversity, and climate improvement? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Which state has launched the Nari Adalat initiative to provide accessible and informal justice for women in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sikkim. National Highways Authority of India has introduced India's first wildlife-safe road on NH45 in which state? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who won the Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award for 2025? Correct answer is option D, INCOIS, Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services. Where will India's first PPP, public-private partnership, green waste processing plant be established? Correct answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Who won the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup 2025 by defeating Koneru Hampi in the finals? Correct answer is option A, Divya Deshmukh. Which Indian has been awarded the 2025 UNEP Young Champions of the Earth Award? Correct answer is option D, Jinali Modi. Who has been reappointed as the Attorney General of India in September 2025? Correct answer is option C, R. Venkataramani. The Gorsham Kora festival is annually celebrated in which Indian state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Which country's photographer has been awarded the World Press Photo Award of the Year award? Correct answer is option B, Palestine. Who has been appointed as the President of the International Court of Justice? Correct answer is option C, Yuji Iwasawa. Which country topped the medal tally at the Asian Athletics Championships 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Who has been declared the Person of the Year by Time magazine for the year 2025? Correct answer is option C, the Architects of AI. Which country has launched Operation Midnight Hammer against Iran? Correct answer is option C, USA. Who was sworn in as the Federal Chancellor of Austria in March 2025? Correct answer is option C, Christian Stocker. Which team recently won the Ranji Trophy title by defeating Kerala? Correct answer is option B, Vidarbha. What is India's rank in the Global Climate Risk Index 2025 released by German What? Correct answer is option C, 15th. Who was named the World Athlete of the Year, Men in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Amor Duplantis. Which team won their 8th FIH Men's Junior Hockey World Cup title after defeating Spain? Correct answer is option C, Germany. Who has been awarded the Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ram Sutar. What is the objective of the recently launched PM Setu scheme? Right answer is option C, modernization of ITI institutions. Saudagari block print of which state has recently received the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Who became the first woman president of the Indian Cricketers Association in October 2025? Right answer is option D, Shanta Rangaswamy. Tulsi Gabbard has been appointed as the National Intelligence Director of which country? Correct answer is option A, United States. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA? Right answer is option C, Shivasubramanian Raman. Who has become the first Latin American country to legalize euthanasia? Correct answer is option B, Uruguay. Which team won the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option D, China. Where was the first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Which launch vehicle was used by ISRO to launch the Bluebird 2 commercial satellite mission? Correct answer is option C, LVM-3M6. Who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score centuries in all three formats? Correct answer is option D, Smriti Mandhana. Which team won Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2025 by defeating Haryana? Correct answer option C, Jharkhand. Which country becomes the first Latin American country to back out from China's Belt and Road Initiative? Correct answer is option A, Panama. Who is the author of the book, Power Within, The Leadership Legacy of Narendra Modi? Correct answer, option C, Dr. R. Balasubramaniam. Exercise, Samudra Shakti 2025, is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option D, Indonesia. India's first fully solar-powered zoo will be established in which state? Correct answer is option B, Karnataka. Which team won the Duleep Trophy title 2025? Correct answer is option C, Central Zone. Which has become the first Indian city to install portable solar panels between railway tracks? Right answer is option C, Varanasi. What is the rank of India in the Global Innovation Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 38th rank. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Advertising Standards Council of India in September 2025? Correct answer is option A, Sudhanshu Vats. Indian weightlifter Mirabai Chanu won which medal in the women's 48 kg category at the World Championships in Norway? Correct answer is option B, silver medal. Which has become the 26th country to eliminate trachoma as a public health problem in October 2025? Correct answer is option B, Fiji. Who is the author of the book, Bravest of the Brave? Correct answer is option A, Satish Dua. Which state has launched Advanced Disaster Risk Warning System, Kavacham? Correct answer, option A, Kerala. Which country has launched the world's first thorium molten salt nuclear reactor in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Where is India's first quantum computing village has been established? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who won the WTA Player of the Year award for 2025? Correct answer is option C, Aryana Sabalenka. Who has recently made history by becoming the first Indian to receive the prestigious Kenton R. Miller Award? Correct answer is option A, Sonali Ghosh. India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve, which has received formal recognition from IUCN, is located in which region? Correct answer is option B, Palk Bay, Tamil Nadu. Where will India's first night safari Kukral be established? Correct answer is option D, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Which state, UT, hosted the 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Who is the author of the recently launched book, Modi's Mission? Correct answer is option C, Burjis Desai. In which state will India's first, largest drone city be established? Correct answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which institution topped the NIRF overall rankings for 2025? Correct answer is option B, IIT Madras. Which protected area of Orissa has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Right answer is option C, Simlipal National Park. Which city topped the Smart City Index 2025 released by the International Institute for Management Development? Correct answer is option A, Zurich, Switzerland. Who has won the Best Actor award at the International Indian Film Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kartik Aaryan. Ahmednagar railway station has been renamed as Ahilyanagar, is located in which state? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Which state tops the Niti Aayog's first Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer option C, Orissa. Which airport has been certified as India's first water-positive airport? Correct answer is option B, Indira Gandhi International Airport. The S-400 defense system used by India to neutralize Pak missiles during Operation Sindoor was bought from which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 23rd rank. The MAVEN mission was launched by which space agency? Correct answer is option C, NASA. Exercise Ajay Warrior 25 is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, United Kingdom. Where will India's first forest university be established? Correct answer is option D, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. The joint exercise, Dharma Guardian, has been organized between India and which country? Correct answer option D, Japan. What is the name of India's first fully indigenous 32-bit microprocessor launched at Semicon India 2025? Correct answer option A, Vikram 3201. Which country hosted SCO Head of State Council Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tianjin, China. Who won the gold at Paris Diamond League 2025? Correct answer is option B, Neeraj Chopra. Which country has launched nuclear submarine, Khabarovsk, capable of carrying Poseidon drone? Correct answer is option A, Russia. Who has been elected as the chairperson of the Badminton World Federation Athletes Commission for the 2026 to 2029 term? Correct answer is option B, PV Sindhu. Which is the world's most populous city according to the World Urbanization Prospects 2025 report? Correct answer is option A, Jakarta, Indonesia. Which state has become the first state to implement the Uniform Civil Code after independence? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Rishabh Yadav, Aman Saini and Prathamesh Fuge bagged which medal at the World Archery Championships 2025 held in Gwangju, South Korea? Correct answer is option A, gold medal. Chenab Bridge connects which two areas of Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is option D, Kauri and Bakkal. Srimati Sharda Sinha was honored with the Padma Vibhushan for contributions in the field of arts. She belongs to which state? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Where was the 11th World Green Economy Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Dubai, UAE. What is India's rank in the recently released Global Gender Gap Report 2025? Correct answer is option B, 131st rank. Which state government has launched India's first Vistadome jungle safari train? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Which country has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Which is set to become India's first legislative assembly to run fully on solar power? Correct answer is option C, Delhi Assembly. Catherine Connolly has been appointed as the president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Ireland. Which organization built India's first fully indigenous hydrogen fuel cell passenger vessel? Correct answer is option B, Kochi Shipyard Limited. Which country has become the 90th state member of the International Union for Conservation of Nature? Right answer is option A, Tuvalu. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. The joint military exercise Ekta 2025 was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option C, Maldives. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2025 released by UNDP? Correct answer is option C, 130th. Who has won the title of Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Pankaj Advani. Recently, the government launched the Pradhan Mantri Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana. Under this scheme, how much financial assistance will be provided to a youth who secures their first job in the private sector? Correct answer is option C, 15,000. Urjit Patel has been appointed as the executive director at which institution? Correct answer is option D, International Monetary Fund. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option A, Malaysia. Where was world's first energy transmission park has been recently inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Patrick Hermini has become the president of which country? Correct answer is option B, Seychelles. The Indian men's hockey team won the Hockey Asia Cup 2025 by defeating which country? Correct answer is option D, South Korea. Which state government declared 2025 as the year of urban development? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Which Indian badminton player has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Puma India? Correct answer is option C, PV Sindhu. Where was the 113th International Labour Conference 2025 held? Right answer is option A, Geneva, Switzerland. Who has been given a one-year extension as the Chief of Intelligence Bureau in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Tapan Kumar Decker. Who has become the first woman president of the Press Club of India? Correct answer is option A, Sangeeta Baro-Pisharoti. Which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 to 27? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. How tall a bronze statue of Lord Ram has been unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Goa? Correct answer is option D, 77 feet tall. Who was appointed as the president of Tanzania in November 2025? Right answer is option C, Samia Suluhu Hassan. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. The 6th edition of the Winbacks military exercise was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Vietnam. Haile Gubbi volcano, that was recently seen in news, is located in which country? Correct answer is option C, Ethiopia. Who were honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics 2025? Correct answer option D, all of the above. John Clark, Michel H. Devoret and John M. Martinez. Which state has recently launched Majhe Ghar housing scheme in October 2025? Correct answer is option A, Goa. Who has been elected the new president of Interpol? Correct answer is option B, Lucas Philippe. Which country will host the 10th ICC Women's T20 Cricket World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option D, England. Which Gram Panchayat won the Gold Award at the National E-Governance Awards 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rohini Gram Panchayat, Maharashtra. Where will the first Olympic esports games be held in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Which city has been officially declared as India's first beggar-free city? Right answer is option A, Indore. By which year has India set a target to eliminate lymphatic filariasis? Correct answer is option B, by 2027. Who has become the first learning disabled artist to win Turner Prize 2025? Correct answer is option D, Naina Kalu. The 21st edition of the India-US Joint Military Exercise Yuddha Abhyas 2025 was held at. Correct answer is option A, Alaska, USA. Who has been reappointed as the director of CBI till May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Praveen Sood. Which year has been declared as the Year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Correct answer is option A, 2025. Who became the first Indian to be honored with the International Water Award 2025? Right answer is option B, Himanshu Kulkarni. Where will the COP32 Climate Summit 2027 be held? Correct answer is option C, Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Who was honored with the C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Which launch vehicle was used by ISRO to launch its first space docking mission, SpaceX? Correct answer is option C, PSLV-C60. The NISAR Earth Observation Satellite was launched from which rocket? Correct answer is option A, GSLV-F16. What is India's first manned submersible launched by 2026 under the Deep Ocean Mission? Correct answer is option B, Matsya 6000. Which country has been selected to host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? Correct answer option D, Malta. Dr. Rajiv Ranjan has been appointed as the Vice President of which bank? Correct answer is option A, New Development Bank. The joint military exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 was held between India and which country? Right answer is option C, Singapore. Where has the first BIMSTEC traditional music festival been held? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. GP Drusty drone program has been launched by which state government? Correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Who has won the Formula One World Championship title in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lando Norris. Which countries will jointly host the Hockey World Cup 2026? Correct answer is option D, Belgium and Netherlands. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Services Sports Control Board. D. Nageshwar Reddy was awarded the Padma Vibhushan in 2025 for his contribution in which field? Correct answer is option A, medicine. Samrat Rana won which medal in men's 10 meters air pistol event at the ISSF World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, gold medal. Who has been appointed as the president of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option C, Nirmal Kumar Minda. Which team won the 15th Hockey India Junior Women National Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, Jharkhand. Satnavri becomes India's first smart intelligent village, is located in which state? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Kol Noruki has been elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Poland. What is the name of the high-resolution weather forecasting system launched in India in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bharat Forecast System. Which country will host the 18th BRICS Summit 2026? Right answer is option C, India. Who won the 134th edition of the Durand Cup 2025? Right answer is option C, Northeast United FC. Who has become the chairman of the National Security Advisory Board, NSAB? Correct answer is option C, Alok Joshi. Which country has become the 21st member of the Eurozone from January 1, 2026? Correct answer is option C, Bulgaria. Who has been awarded the Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Kumar Mangalam Birla. What is the name of the nationwide initiative under which the Telangana government rescued over 7,600 children recently? Correct answer is option D, Operation Muskaan 11. Which country honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan, in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sri Lanka. In which state is India's first bamboo-based biorefinery being set up? Correct answer is option A, Numaligarh, Assam. Who is the author of the book Different but No Less? Correct answer is option C, Anupam Kher. Anand Kumar Velkumar won which medal at the Speed Skating World Championships 2025? Correct answer is option A, gold medal. Which has been recently declared carcinogenic by the World Health Organization? Correct answer is option D, hepatitis D. Where was the first BIMSTEC Youth Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Where will world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Duniya be established? Correct answer is option A, Khurja, Uttar Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Bharti Airtel? Correct answer is option B, Shashwat Sharma. Who has been appointed as the chairman cum managing director of Coal India Limited? Correct answer is option B, B. Sai Ram. Who has been appointed as the president of the International Paralympic Committee? Correct answer is option C, Andrew Parsons. Raja Khas village has been declared as the first solar model village of which state? Correct answer is option C, Himachal Pradesh. Who was honored with the 43rd Lokmanya Tilak National Award 2025? Right answer is option A, Nitin Gadkari. Who has been recently appointed as the new head coach of the Indian men's football team? Correct answer is option B, Khalid Jamil. Where was India's first Make in India 1 megawatt green hydrogen plant commissioned? Correct answer is option C, Gujarat. Which country hosted the Artificial Intelligence Action Summit 2025? Correct answer is option A, France. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Nijat Moyna 2 scheme to boost girls' higher education? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Who has been appointed as India's first ever mental health ambassador by the Union Health Ministry? Correct answer is option A, Deepika Padukone. Which country honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian honor, the Order of the Republic? Correct answer is option C, Trinidad and Tobago. Operation Falcon was launched by which state government to protect one-horned rhinos from poachers? Correct answer is option B, Assam. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director of Solar Energy Corporation of India? Correct answer is option C, Akash Tripathi. Which 920-meter cut and cover tunnel, recently inaugurated in eastern Ladakh, will ensure all-weather connectivity near LAC? Correct answer is option C, Shyok Tunnel. Who has become the first Indian to win a bronze medal in the open men's category at the Asian Surfing Championships 2025? Correct answer is option A, Ramesh Bodhiyal. The world's tallest statue of Lionel Messi has been unveiled in which Indian city? Correct answer is option B, Kolkata. Which state organized the world's largest open-air theatre, Danu Yatra? Correct answer is option B, Orissa.